Hey, how's it going, everyone? We are going to take another look at one of these book of business reports today. This time, we're going to look at the sales by carrier. So, again, come on over here into reports. I'm going to expand out book of business and sales by carrier. Now, this is obviously, again, very straightforward, just like the sales by producer. Uh, but this is a good one to keep track of, especially if you have any kind of contractual obligations on production amount, production minimums for carriers, right? If travelers are saying you have to write 300K in premium every year, this is a good place to go to check just to make sure that you're on pace for that, right? So same filters as the other report as well, sort by premium or policy count. And I want to look at year to date because I want to know, how much I've got written with travelers again, just for example, to make sure that I'm on pace. You can also filter this by policy count. I know Erie likes to have, so many life insurance policies written. So if you want to kind of get an idea on, how many policies you've got written with them, you can come into here and then sort this guy by policy types just to get, a rough idea on where you're standing on that one. So hope that is another helpful report for you. Thanks, guys.